Hi, my name is Andrea Preska, and this is my brain dissection. So here is our cerebrum. Longitudinal fissure separates the two hemispheres, the right and the left hemisphere. We have our frontal lobe here, our parietal lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe, temporal lobe over here, occipital lobe as well. Then we have our cerebellum. And then once it is actually dissected, so I kind of have a connective tissue structure here. So we have the pons, the medulla, and the spinal cord. So pons, medulla, spinal cord. And then here is the arbor vitae. So let's start. This is the corpus callosum here. Right here is our fourth ventricle. Or I'm sorry, this is the lateral ventricle. This is the third ventricle. And then this is going to be our fourth ventricle right here. This is the arbor vitae of the cerebellum. This is going to be right underneath the fourth ventricle is going to be the thalamus, the hypothalamus, and then the pituitary gland. And then again, this is pons, medulla, and spinal cord. And then let me think if there's anything. Corpus callosum, pituitary gland, thalamus, hypothalamus, cerebellum. And let me just go over these structures again. So we've got frontal lobe, parietal, temporal, occipital lobe. This is our cerebellum. And then here would be our pons and our medulla, and then if you can kind of see them better here, pons, medulla, spinal cord, and that is it.